So today in this video we are going to talk about search parameters in the WP query. So basically it should not be the search parameters because there is only one parameter for search. Sorry about that. So yeah, based on the search keyword we will get the result through the WP query. And what parameter it will be? It is this parameter called S. So we will continue working on this page what we are already working with. Yeah, in the previous video I talked about taxonomy query, so I'm gonna remove that and I will pass S and then add the keyword you want to search with. So I'm gonna search that into the book post type. And first let me show you, I have added some books over here called Ramayana, Mahabharata and Ramayana Lanka. So let's say I want to search this book. So I will simply pass that text over here, and now if I go to this page and refresh this, I will get the result of the Mahabharata. So basically it will search in the title, and I think it searches from the content as well. So let me edit this Ramayana book and I will add Mahabharata in this content, and we will see if that fetch the result or not. So let's update it, and now I'm gonna refresh this. So yes, it is basically searching from the title and content. So this is how search works. So there is another thing you can do with this search. So for example, if I try to search Ramayana, so it will give me these two results. One is Ramayana and another one is Ramayana Lanka. So let's search that, and yes, it is displaying Ramayana and Ramayana Lanka. But let's say I don't want this kind of text in the search. For example, I just want Ramayana, don't want to have any Ramayana Lanka. So what we can do is, in this argument, first parameter will be the keyword you want to search, and after giving a space and hyphen, add Lanka. So what this means? This means search Ramayana but ignore if Ramayana has any Lanka keyword or not. Sorry, if Ramayana has any Lanka keyword. So now in this case, this result we should not be getting anymore. So let's refresh this, and as you can see, now we are getting Ramayana only. Let's try to add another book called Ramayana Sri Lanka. And let's see if that brings up the result or not. So let's save it, and let's refresh this again. So basically it won't fetch the result because this Sri Lanka has Lanka in this word. So we are not fetching any Lanka related result. So let me bring this Ramayana India and let's see if we get the result or not. So as you can see, now we are getting the result. So I hope you understand how the search parameter works in the WP query. If you have any doubt or question, please write down below in the comment section. Thank you.